Very good morning, my dear first semester diploma students in our state. Today I will discuss some important theorems, problems and derivations. Subject engineering mechanics. First of all, question is like that. Two forces act at an angle of 120 degree. The bigger force is of 40 Newton and the resultant is perpendicular to the smaller one. Find the smaller force. First of all, data given. Here, bigger force, that is OA is equal to 40 Newton. And angle between two forces, that is OA and OC is equal to 120 degree. That is AOC is equal to 120. Here, smaller force is Q, that is OC. Smaller force is Q, that is OC. According to the questions, the resultant R is perpendicular to the smaller force. That is OC is perpendicular to OB.
1.
That is BOC. That is BOC is equal to 90 degree. From this figure, we find that AOB is equal to 120 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 30 degree. Because total angle is 120. This angle is 90. Therefore, alpha is equal to 30 degree. We know that tan alpha is equal to Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta, because if P and Q are two forces, but here P is equal to 40, Q is unknown. Therefore, we putting these the values. Tan alpha, that is tan 30 degree is equal to Q sin 120 degree, because theta is equal to 120 degree, divided by P 40 plus Q cos 120 degree. Putting all the values, we have the value of tan 30 is equal to 0.577 is equal to Q into the value of sin 120 is equal to 0.866 divided by 40 plus Q into minus 0.5, because cos 120 degree is equal to minus 0.5. Therefore, this value becomes Q into 0.866 divided by 40 minus Q into 0.5. Or after cross multiplications, we have 40 minus 0.5Q into 0.577 is equal to Q into 0.866, or 40 minus 0.5Q is equal to Q into 0.866 divided by 0.577 is equal to 1.5 Q, or 40 is equal to 1.5 Q plus, because minus is equal to 0.5 Q is equal to 2Q, or 2Q is equal to 40, or Q is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20 newtons. Therefore, the required smaller force is Q is equal to 20 Newton, because bigger force is 40 Newton and Q is equal to 20 Newtons. तेणु ये जो क्वेश्चन सब ये जो क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर टिके बागे माने टिके भल कि प्रिपेयर हुआ निश्चय देखो परीक्षा रे हेल्प करिवो, because here theta is equal to 120, this angle is 90, therefore alpha is equal to 120 minus 90 is equal to 30. कारण बहुत पिला डाउट हम आल्फाटा केमी है कारण ये टोटाल एंगल 120 ये एंगल 90 देयरफॉर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 120 माइनस 90 इज इक्वल टू 3 मु भाबुची ये जो प्रोसेस बुझेली तुम निश्चय भल कर नेक्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस अनदर प्रॉब्लम सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दैट टू फोर्सेस equal to 2p and p act on a particle. If the first force be double and the second force is increased by 12 kilonewton, the direction of their resultant remains unaltered. Find the value of p. ये जो क्वेश्चन लिखाई थी ता माने कोन दीटा फोर्स गोटे फोर्स होची 2p आ गोटे फोर्स होची p तुम सब जानी पे टू फोर्सेस P and Q but here P is equal to 2P and Q is equal to P act on a particle that is that I given here two forces are 2P and P let theta is equal to angle between two forces that is 2P and P from this figure OA is equal to 2P OB is equal to P and theta is the angle between them. Then alpha angle made by the resultant R with the line of action of the force 2P as shown in the figure. That is in this figure that is 2P that is P. In second case if the first force be double if the first force is double that is 2 into 2p then second force is increased by p 12 kilonewton therefore p plus 12 that is we know that tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta but here q is equal to p is equal to 2p एटा लेक्चर कारण तुम सब जान if p and q are two forces tan alpha is equal to q sin theta by p plus q cos theta but here q is equal to p is equal to 2p therefore I am writing as tan alpha is equal to p sin theta by 2p plus p cos theta equation 1 is the first case. In second case we have tan alpha is equal to p plus 12 sin theta divided by 2 into 2p plus p plus 12 cos theta because p here p is equal to p plus 12 in second case p plus 12 or tan alpha is equal to p plus 12 plus into sin theta divided by 4p plus p plus 12 cos theta. This is the equation 2. Now equating equations 1 and 2 we have p sin theta divided by 2p plus p cos theta is equal to p plus 12 sin theta by 4p plus p plus 12 cos theta or p sin theta taking common p that is 2 plus cos theta is equal to p plus 12 sin theta divided by 4p plus p plus 12 cos theta. Here P cancel, sin theta cancel. Then this equation becomes 1 plus 2 plus cos theta is equal to P plus 12 by 4P plus P plus 12 cos theta. Now subtract after cross multiplication we have P plus 12 into 2 plus cos theta is equal to 4P plus P plus 12 cos theta. Then 2P, P into 2 that is 2P plus P into cos theta is equal to P cos theta plus 12 into 2 that is 24 plus 12 into cos theta is equal to 12 cos theta is equal to 4P plus P cos theta plus 12 cos theta, because cos theta into P that is P cos theta plus 12 into cos theta is equal to 12 cos theta, or we can write as 2P plus P cos theta plus 24 plus 12 cos theta minus 4P, because 4P टा एपटे अछि एपटे आसिला माइनस P cos theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0. Then plus P cos theta minus P cos theta cancel. Then plus 12 cos theta minus 12 cos theta cancel. Therefore 2P minus 4P. 2P minus 4P, because this 2P minus 4P plus 24 is equal to 0, or minus 2P plus 2P minus 4P is equal to minus 2P is equal to minus 12, because plus 24 टा सेपट गले minus 24, or minus minus cancel, P is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12 kilonewton. This is the required answer, that is this P is equal to 12 kilonewton. Now I will solve another problem. Now this problem is also very important for your semester examinations. The forces 20 Newton, 30 Newton, 40 Newton, 50 Newton and 60 Newton are acting on one of the angular points of a regular hexagon towards the other 5 angular points taken in order. Find the value by magnitude and direction of the resultant force. Here this diagram is given below. The system of the given forces is shown in the figure. You know that delta x is equal to delta h. पिला मानकर सबले कंफ्यूज होती delta x जहाँ delta h है, that is horizontal forces. Algebraic sum of the result parts of the forces along x axis is equal to horizontal force. You know that सबले मन रखियो पिला माने horizontal force टा cos जेति force थिबो into cos, और vertical force टा जेति into force into sin. Here delta x is equal to 20 cos 0, because first angle is force is 20, angle is 0. Second force is 30 cos 30. देखो 20 cos 0 plus 30 cos 30 plus 40 cos 60 plus 50 cos 90 plus 60 cos 120. ये जो जिनस लगा 0 30 60 90 120 पिला मन थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होती, तो जाने किसी कंफ्यूज होगा दरकार नहीं. फास्ट देखो ये जो फोर्स आसी 20 से एंगल टा 0, जिते 30 हम ये एंगलटा 30 जिते 40 हम ये 30 प्लस 30 60 जिते 50 हम 30 प्लस 30 प्लस 30 90 जिते 60 न्यूटन थी ये टोटल 90 ये 30 इक्वल टू 120 देयरफॉर horizontal force is equal to 20 cos 0 30 cos 30 40 cos 60 50 cos 90 plus 60 cos 120 the value of cos 0 is equal to 1 the value of cos 30 is equal to 0.866 ये जो प्रॉब्लम कला बेले सब यूज करिवो कैलकुलेटर न तुम प्रॉब्लम भूल जाओ देन cos 60 is equal to 0.5 cos 90 is equal to 0 cos 120 is equal to minus 0.5 therefore 20 plus 30 into 0.866 is equal to 25.98 plus 20 because 40 into 0.5 20 this term is 0 this term is 30 is equal to 35.98 is equal to 36 Newton. Then delta y माने vertical force or delta v algebraic sum of the result parts of the forces along y axis 20 sin 0 30 sin 30 40 sin 60 50 sin 90 plus 60 sin 120 sin 0 0 sin 30 0.5 sin 60 0.866 sin 90 1 sin 120 0.866 तेणु पिला माने ये प्रॉब्लम कला बेले केयरफुल प्रॉब्लम करिवो कारण कैलकुलेटर यूज करिवो देयरफॉर डेल्टा y is equal to 151.6 newtons we know that magnitude of the resultant force r is equal to delta x square plus delta y square is equal to 36 square plus 151.6 square therefore after calculating r is equal to 155.81 Newton. Then theta angle with the resultant makes with the horizontal tan theta is equal to delta y by delta x is equal to 151.6 by 36 is equal to 4.211 or theta is equal to tan inverse 4.211 that is 76 degree point 39 ये जो प्रॉब्लम छोड़ा ये क्वेश्चन तो भारी इंपोर्टेंट स्टेट एंड प्रूव लैमिस थ्योरम या केयरफुल देखीदेव नोट रूम देन ये जो क्वेश्चन लॉज ऑफ स्टैटिक एंड डायनामिक फ्रिक्शन दीज आर वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस देन रिलेशन बिटवीन मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज वेलोसिटी रेशियो एंड एफिशिएंसी ऑफ ए मशीन दैट इज एफिशिएंसी इज इक्वल टू ma by vr then another question describe different types of loads and beams and derive resultant force of parallelogram that is r is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta ये जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे पठे दूची तुम्हें काइंडली सी माय नोट्स काइंडली सी माय नोट्स एंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल आउ कमेंट दिंतु मु भावुची तुम ये जो मुझे पढ़ाऊँगी ये भिडियो जो दूसरी आशा कर तुम बहुत काम लगे परीक्षा तुम निश्चय सक्सेस हम बोली मोर आशा और विश्वास ये जो आज जोड़ा पढ़ेली आज जोड़ा नोट दूसरी तुम ताको सीरीयस हुआ पढ़ापढ़ी कर आ 2 मार्किया क्वेश्चन सब आपको देती सीरीयस हम आज किसी कहूनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आज पठेबी सब देखिबो थैंक यू।